Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A very good morning to you all students. I hope you all will be perfectly alright by the grace of Allah Jalla Shanuhu. Dear students, this is Muhammad Umar Haroon from American Life Stuff, and I will deliver the lecture for the class of 9th in English, and today our topic is letter. This is very important question of board examination, and we can get the maximum score in this question as well. This question will carry 8 marks in board paper, and the very much important thing, the foremost thing in this question is we can get the maximum score 8 marks in this question. So let's have a glance. I will let you know how to get the maximum score, how to get the 8 score out of 8 in board examination. So board point of view, basically letter is basically based upon the 3 main parts. The 3 main part is the first one is header. The second point is main body. And the third one is bottom or footer of the letter, right? One more thing which is very much important, and except of that remedy, we can't get 8 marks, or even our letter will be considered as a wrong, right? That is fourth and very much important thing is that is punctuation mark. Punctuation marks. This is very much important part of this letter, right? So how can we draw header, main body, and the footer of or the bottom of the letter is? Just have a glance on the board. We will start like this. If this is a page, we will start from the top of the page and extreme left of the page. Examination hall, comma, city, comma, A full stop, B full stop, and C full stop. The next third line is we will write the date of, so the date is 7th November, 7th November, comma 2021 full stop. These are the 3 lines. So the important thing is the presentation of the letter. The important thing, which is very much important, is the presentation of the letter. So we are writing in the lines first line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line, right? We will skip this line. Skip the line, we will skip this line and write from there. My dear mother, right? So the one more important thing in this line is M is capital, D is small, this M is also capital. Capital, small, capital, CSC, right? If you don't want to write my dear mother, you want to write dear mother, so you can write like this. And comma. So in this pattern, dear, the D of the dear is capital and M of the mother is also capital, right? So I will start right from this point, from below of the comma. I will start from by the Allah Almighty, I am quite spick and span. I'm quite spick and span, and after that and we will place comma, and I hope that you might be sailing on the same boat. Right. As far as writing of this letter is concerned, writing of this letter is concerned. Now, I will not write anymore. So, now from this point, the next line will be started. I will learn from the book. You have to learn from the book whatever the text has been written over the book from the PTB books, PTB grammar, and just learn from those books and paste here, paste after this word, paste after this word. This is basically the intro of the letter. This is basically the intro of the letter, because most of the students starts the letter from A dot O dot A, Assalamu alaikum. This is wrong. Or Assalamu alaikum. This is also wrong. Right. So, this is the perfect method. By the grace of Allah, you can start from these lines and just learn from the books or the ALS notes and place after this point. So, after this point you will write the words like this. Let's say, for the sake of argument, if your letter is completed right here, you will skip the next line. You will skip the next line. This is also the presentation point of view. You will skip the line and write, pay my heartiest, or you can write, pay my compliments to all at home. Full stop. This line will be placed in the center of the context, This would be in the center, right? At the end, now you will also skip another line. The very next line will be skipped and you will write, yours affectionately, and comma, X full stop, Y full stop, and Z full stop. This is basically the presentation of the letter. This is the presentation of the letter, how you will write the letter in your examination center or board paper, right? This is the presentation. This is basically the presentation of the paper, right? Now, I will let you know how can we distribute the marks, in board examination, board point of view. So, this is the main header. The three things are main header, main body, and the footer, right? This is the main body. Main body, header, and this is bottom, right? So, header carries 2 marks, main body carries 4 marks, and footer carries 2 marks. So, 2 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 8. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. This is the marks distribution among all these 3 parts of the body. So, and the next thing is, after examination hall, comma, one more thing, city, comma, A full stop, B full stop, C full stop, right? After the date 7 November, comma, and after year, full stop will be placed. Next thing, dear mother, both words, both alphabets will be in capital. both are capital, CC capital, dear mother, right, and after mother we will place a comma. Now we will start from this one, this introduction will be placed, and after this introduction a letter body will be placed after that, which will be learned from the PTB grammar books. At the end we will skip another line, pay my compliments, pay my heartiest regards, pay my profound regards. These all words can be used. And at the end we will also skip this line, and at the end we will write yours affectionately. Affectionately, why we are using this word affectionately? Because we have a blood relation. Affectionately will be used for the blood relation, right? At the end, X dot Y dot Z dot, right? So the dear students, I hope you will learn the letter in appropriate manners, and now you will be able to get 8 out of 8 in board examination, inshallah, by the grace of Allah Jalla Shanu. I hope you will enjoy this lecture. Thank you so very much. If you have any kind of question regarding this lecture, you can ask. We are very much there for your assistance. Jazakallah.